What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing and setting up the Philips Hue Lightstrip. Let's get started. Now, this particular light strip kit from Philips Hue comes with the bridge. So let's start unboxing. There we go. Open that up. And so right away you are greeted with the Philips light strip. And then right here you have the Philips Hue bridge. Now the bridge acts as a component to connect all your other lights that you have from Philips, such as the light bulbs and all other like different things that you got through the Philips Hue brand. It bridges them together, which is the exact name, and it connects them all under one roof pretty much. So let's put that aside. Let's see what else you get. Cardboard. You have here just manuals. Here you have the connection, the actual port you're going to connect everything through. And then here, let's open it up. Okay, so here you have your cable, and this is the wall adapter piece. I'm guessing for the US because they have a huge international market. Okay, so we're going to slide this in like this and push it in until it clicks, and there you have the power adapter for the US power outlets. Next you have, let's see what else you have here. So this is the connection you're going to be making from, so it includes an Ethernet cable, and this is what you're going to be using to connect the bridge to your router, so that way it can pair with the app. And you're going to use this to also power the bridge itself. And then next you also have the same thing here, the US version of the power outlet. So we're going to slide that in like the other one, and there we go. So let me put everything aside and let's get started with setting everything up. Okay guys, so I'm no longer filming with my camera because I just want to move the camera around to show you the installation. Now I did refuse to cut anything, and what I also did is I put the white piece of paper that you peel before the adhesive, I put it back in the areas that I just bent, and I continued to place it. Now this is on the back of my TV in case you're wondering, and then the same thing again at this end with the bend, and then you put it down, and there you have it. Okay, so here's what it looks like on. And again, I am using my iPhone, so I apologize for the shaky picture here. Okay, so here's how I set up my Philips Bridge Hue system. So back here, there's going to be an Ethernet cord, and I just plugged it in the back of my router, and it links up automatically with your Wi-Fi. So there you have it. Once you plug in your Philips bridge and all three lights are on, that means it's ready to be set up on the app. So let me show you how to do that through the app. So once you installed everything in, what you need to do next is go into the Google Play Store, or in my case, the Apple Store, and install the Philips Hue app. So just simply search Philips Hue, and then right there, now as you can see, I already installed it, and I have my bridge already installed. So as soon as the app launches, it's going to say searching for the Hue bridge. So we'll find mine. You just got to give it a second so it can find it. And there you go. One new Hue bridge found. So we're gonna connect. And now it's gonna ask you to hold and push the button on the Hue bridge that you want to connect to. So we're gonna do that now. So once you tap that button on top of the bridge, the next page is gonna bring you to. So now it's asking if it can access your home data. So in this case, we're gonna say yes. And there's an update available. Well, there's always an update available, so that's not a surprise. Now that it's installing, we'll resume after when it's done, and I'll show you what to do next. So once the update is done installing, we're just gonna press done. We're gonna agree, enable, and then we're gonna create a room. So in my instance, we're gonna say bedroom, and we're gonna say save. And as you can see, it already recognized the light strip, and we're gonna say save, and there you go. After you save your settings and you click next, you're gonna go into this screen. It's gonna say congratulations, your Hue app is up and running. So we're gonna say go, and then right here, it's gonna say that my light strip is on, so I can choose to turn it off or on. So we're gonna press on it, and we're gonna go to the color scheme here, and then we can change the light, the color of the light, sorry, on it. So now let me show you the setup after when I completed it. So now that we're in the app, I know it's completely dark in here, but in the app right here, as you can see, we're in blue. So it's gonna show you that summarized color up here of what color you're using. And then this little, circle is the one that increases your brightness. So as you can see, there you go, until 100%. So we're gonna keep it at, let's just say 50%. And then right here, you can change the color of the light strip. So we can go, let's go green. So some of the other cool features with this app is you have preset scenes in the app. So for example, right now I'm in Savannah Sunset, but then I can change it to Arctic Aurora. I think I said that right. And it changes with the scene. Now, if you go back to the color wheel, and let's just say I'm gonna do it purple, okay? What I can do is save a new scene. And then once I do that, it just saved under right here, under the scenes portion. I'm sorry, not the scenes, here, under right here. Also, you can have preset, scenes that are like night lights. You can also time them. So let's just say you want it turned off in 20 minutes, you can do that. You can also put an alarm about when do you want your light strip to turn off. So it's extremely customizable, which is so cool. So this is how my setup looks. I'm very happy with how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Hope you have a great day. Take care.